guys so I can make on and guide you throughout the whole bird park, okay?
Welcome to Jurong Bird Park, home to over 5,000 birds, representing 400 species, many of which are endangered. Sit back and enjoy your journey into the colorful world of birds. Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Be sure to catch the shows and keep a chit-chat sessions to learn more about our favorite world. The Bulls Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free-flying performances. Coming up to your left are the bright red scarlet ibises. They are fed a special diet which helps maintain the color of their plumage. To your right is the wetlands, home to the impressive shoebill and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery, designed to simulate an observation hide. To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crown pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons. They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans. These birds have impressive oversized bills to reach fruits on thin branches. Enjoy a close encounter with the hornbill during hornbill chit-chat at 11:45 a.m. daily. Windows on Paradise to your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship display. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You are now off to visit Waterfall Aviary, the largest walking aviary in our park.
Yeah, eagle, vulture. You see? This is an African fish eagle.
The birds of prey. These birds use their superb eyesight, strong beaks, and sharp talons to hunt. Here,
How do they know that we are here?
This is a turkey vulture.
Largest in the vulture family.
What's the feeling of?
Catch
Wow, look at this
birds
one.
in action
Wow.
Kings of the Sky Show.
King vulture, the biggest one.
4 p.m. daily at the Flamingo.
Well, this part we already saw, right?
No, we didn't see this.
But we already saw because we went past it, right? Now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me check the next tram. The next tram station will be at
To your right, Jungle
Swan
Jewel,
Lake.
where you will find many South American birds.
There's a big waterfall at Avery.
Brightly colored sunflowers.
Oh, I came
Wild, they are trapped for the feathers
Train
and
station
eager
fee.
trade. Chill out at the Bird Discovery Center and step into the fascinating world of birds. Look out for the flightless cassowary at near on the left. The solitary cassowary is easily identified by its scars on its head.
Oh,
The
shit. Can we stop here? Dinosaur descendants. How big is this?
It is the second tallest bird in the world.
Ostrich, huh?
The emu.
Huh?
Emu, this one here is emu.
What?
Huh?
Are these dinosaurs?
No.
Then what are these?
Dinosaur descendants.
What are descendants?
That means they came from the dinosaur.
Wait, dinosaurs are not extinct.
No, they are, but they came from the descendants.
We are now approaching a waterfall aviary. The bird watching is easy. Try to spot
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Papa say do that.
Yep.
Hey, why you do that? It's only for my treasure.
made waterfalls for photo opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at Tram Station. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next part of the journey.
Bye, waterfall station. We're leaving one. Waterfall station.
Welcome back on board. We're now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you can view the extremely rare unicorns.
We won't be stopping at Parrot Paradise, right? We already went there.
Yeah.
Jurong Bird Park is the only wildlife institution in the world where you can admire all the 3 species of unicorns and learn more about them. The Sphinx macaw, which inspired the movie Pelican, is probably extinct in the wild. There are just over 150 of them left. All
At a place where we never go, okay?
Parrot Paradise to discover more about our conservation project to help save
Parrot
the
Paradise we
Sphinx
never.
macaw.
Station 4, Parrot Paradise.
Welcome back on our tram ride. Look to your right. These birds with huge beaks are the pelicans. They use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during the pelican chit-chat.
One of them is telling to be still. The pelicans like to do that.
Yep.
We will stop at
Look out for the supermodels of the bird world. The Flamingo Lake is home to more than 400 greater and lesser flamingos. In the wild, flamingos live in large flocks of up to 10,000. The lodge overlooking the Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events.
You stop at train station.
Right, not been there, is it?
Flamingo Lake, we already been here.
Now, get ready for big splashes of fun and birds of play, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Coming up on your left, the Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Skies show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily.
That's what the time is.
Owls and vultures in action
1 p.m.
as they amaze you with their powerful flight and agility. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center, located next to Hawk Arena. Each year, our bird nannies hand raise more than 100 chicks, including the critically endangered Bali Minor and blue-throated macaw. Continue your journey on foot and visit Penguin Coast at the entrance.
It's not here, right?
Look out for the king and Humboldt penguins in their cool indoor habitats before you venture outdoors to admire our African penguins. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have come.
So where are we going next, Regan?
Flamingo Pool is the nearest to the Penguin Cove. So now we're at the Penguin Cove. Just right outside the Penguin Cove. So, Flamingo Pool. So we are here.
Okay, I'm going to follow you. You read the map, Regan, because don't get me lost, okay?
Okay. Let's go. Help me read the map. So now we're at the Penguin Cove. This is Flamingo Pool. We have to go straight.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, but there's yet another way. This way, we're going to exit. So we have to go this way first.
Alright, let's go.
Come, guys. It's not there. We're in this place. Oh, wait. So we're going to go here. You want to go penguin? So we're at where? So let's go to penguin. Penguin is. Hey guys, the penguins are very cool. You want to see how they look like? Here they are. 사람들이 많아서 안 되지. 무조건 눌러버려 얘야. 봐봐.
Alpha Crested Cockatoo. He is a veteran here at the bird show. And John is over 50 years old. John, you want to say something nice? Okay, there you go. Oh, very loud scream right there. John, he just came out. Can you hear him? He's really loud. He doesn't even need a microphone. Okay, let's try this. Maybe he wants to say something nice. You want to say hello? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Huh? No, that doesn't mean hello, okay? Alright. Okay, if you wanna say okay. I don't think we can continue with the show with Big John screaming like this, okay? John, I think you have to make your way back home. Everybody say bye, Big John. You wanna say bye-bye? And we say bye-bye. Oh, that is really loud. Okay, yes, very loud. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, so let's move back to Amigo. Now you heard him count in English earlier. This time Amigo is going to count in 3 different languages. First song is a local children's song called Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, can you sing in Mandarin? Very good, Amigo. I know some of the children on this side singing along as well. Good job, guys. Okay, now the second song originated from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. You guys know the song as well? Yes, you can sing along with Amigo, okay? Alright, Amigo, let's sing Rasa Sayang. Birthday today. Raise your hands if it's a birthday. Let's start from the people right here. Birthdays. Okay, we have 1. Okay, 2 all the way up there. Anyone else? 3, 4. How about the middle section? 5, 6. Anyone else? 7. Okay, how about the last section? 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for the 10 of you, Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. In the bird park. Now, Amigo here is 1 in a million. It takes a lot of years and dedication to do what he just did earlier. So imagine the disappointment pet owners would face if they were to end up with a parent like Big John, who is either very quiet or extremely loud. Now it's time for Amigo here to head back home, but before that, Amigo, what must you say? Bye-bye! The bird park. Now I will be coming really close to you, so please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Can you hear that? One more time. Now that's how great pipe hornbills vocalize, okay? Okay, once again, I need everyone to remain seated. Thank you very much. Okay, Vicky, are you ready to check the nest box out? No, nest box is not there. Oh, she is. Vicky, your nest box is to your right. Can you hop along, please? Come on. Look at the very cute hop right there. So what Vicky is doing right now is she's inspecting the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. That was really fast. Now once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. The hole, it will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Vicky, you can seal the nest now. There you go. Vicky, are you still in there? And there she is. Now everyone, keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great pipe hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. So this is what happens in the wild. The male will feed the females and the chick. inside the nest for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successful in breeding the Oriental Pied Hornbills using nest boxes, just like that one right there. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Oh, hi, Sarah. You ready to pass Sunny down? Okay, looks like it's coming. Look at that. Oh no, it missed you. Take 2, one more time. And there you go, our hornbills, everyone.
Very majestic bird. Huh?
America. But unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now we can all help these beautiful birds by practicing the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and most importantly, let's all help replant our destroyed rainforest, okay? Alright, so just a gentle reminder, if you're not holding onto the hoop, please remain seated at all times. Once again, I need everyone to remain seated, okay? Now when the birds are flying low above your heads, hands down, alright? Okay, so looks like all our volunteers are ready. Kaya, take off first. Up goes Dave. And there you go, beautiful flight by Kaya and Vega, everyone. Now we need 3 more volunteers, 3 more. So with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers, and very sharp eyesight, this helps them when they are flying show for over 20 years. Yes, Kaya has been in the show for about a year. Okay? Alright, so Sa'ad, whenever you're ready. Okay. Once again, I need everyone to remain seated. I need a lady right there to sit down. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, Sa'ad, whenever you're ready. Okay, next. First scoop. Second. And there you go. Good job, Kaya. Okay, so this time both birds will be taking off from 2 different ends of the station, both sides, okay? Almost at the same time. Let's see, they will meet each other's flight path in that center hoop. Alright, Sa'ad is Kaya ready? Okay? Alright. Ready, go! We have our Dalmatian Pelicans. And now back to Africa. Birds with their sexy long legs. Supermodels of the wild. Keep your eyes back there, Bob. Raise up Flamingo. That's alright. You won't be coming out, Charlie. You're giving it now. Finally, all the way from South America, let's welcome our colorful macaws from Mandai and Bay. To the end of the show, so if you would like to take pictures with our flamingos, please do stay, as we will be bringing out another group of flamingos for you guys to take pictures with. Now in the meantime, we'd like to bring home more memories of the show. My colleague up there is selling plush toys, going at a special price, only here at Poolside Theater, so do check them out later. Now finally, on behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Plus Holdings Foundation, Casey will open up.
to balance on one leg, like all those. Some are balancing on two legs, some are balancing on one leg. We're going to Pelican Cove.
You know how to get there?
So now I guess we're at Flamingo Pool.
Alright.
Means we have to pass Flamingo Lake. Then we will reach Selection Point.
Okay. Why? Why you all left?
Hi guys, so there is a playground area over here. It's right over here, you see? But we never have swimming trunks, so we can't swim, okay? So guys, let's go.
As we walk along, we can find her.
Flamingo Lodge.
Right here, this one.
Oh my god. I think that's the place that we don't know how to go up. Okay.
Flamingos live in large flocks.
Ready to present it? Alright, let's go.
Okay guys, now this is the Pelican Cove. Look at all the pelicans. Even that one is flying around. There you see? The Pelican Cove.
It's amazing that they can fly everywhere, and just next to us here is an industrial park. There's no net anywhere, and they are not flying out. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, they're not going anywhere. They have their own minds. They'll just go out, then come back into the same place. I think they know where's their home.
I think you're right.
See the blue macaw, see over there? All of it. See over there, before. There's a parrot, yeah?
Blue macaw.
Blue macaw. That's why I say use the eyes more than the mouth.
Okay, wait.
This is the highest waterfall in the world. Okay? The highest waterfall in the world. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so we found something so amazing. We found a peacock.
It's called spoonbill. There are so many fish around. Why they're not eating the fish? Huh?
It's already on the tray, ma.
Good answer.
What did he say? What did he say?
It's already on the tray.
Why you want to hack the live food? They already cut it for you. It's so cute. You can't see from where I'm standing, you can see the two things, huh?
They're not afraid of human beings. Huh?
Yeah.
Actually, why? You know, I see a lot of people shoot birds, right? Right? Why can't they just come to the bird park and then?
Exactly. Exactly. I was thinking also, what people tell me at the boat near our house, right?
That's right.
The Pasir Ris one.
Yeah.
Every morning we come to see.
They spend hours just to catch one bird. But you come here, you can have so many. Huh?
Where's one leg? I look at this very tall waterfall, the tallest one in the world. Look,
Tallest man-made waterfall. Regan.
the tallest man-made waterfall. Let's walk around.
Oh, it's
What
really,
dropped down,
it's really huge. Huh?
What was the thing that dropped down,
Huh?
What was the thing that dropped down from
Oh, you know, I came here when I was a small boy. You know.
Huh?
I came here when I was a small boy. You know, maybe like 30, 40
Then
years
what
ago.
thing that dropped down?
What is that thing which dropped down?
The bird, the one.
See the emu?
Hello.
What's up?
And do you know how old you are?
Serious really?
Hey, come. Come.
Ready? Okay, go.
The elephant bird of Madagascar was the world's second largest bird. It was too huge to fly, but it had strong legs for running. It became extinct about 1,000 years ago. Weight equals 450 kg. Height equals 3 meters.
Oh, from Madagascar, this bird. Regan, look at that. Oh, you go stand next to it. You see the size of it, Regan.
Look here, look how tall I am. Yeah, and then she's very beautiful.
Yeah lah. Amazing, right?
Is it a real skeleton? Is it a real skeleton? Hummingbird. He kissed that. I told you that. Okay guys, thank you for watching my bird park showing about Jurong Bird Park and all the amazing things we've done. Okay, see you guys.